Okay, so we're going to look at synthetic division. Okay, so we're given a question and we're asked to divide this polynomial by x plus 2 using synthetic division. So the first thing we need to do is to make x plus 2 equal to 0, and then we can say that x is equal to minus 2. We're going to use this minus 2. We're going to put this outside our table, values, and we're going to write in the values. So we have a 2, so this is going to be here. Now we're missing the cubic, the power 3, so we need to put in a plus 0, so we're going to have a 0. Then we have the squared, so this is going to be minus 5, and we have the linear term of 5x, so that's just going to be 5, and a minus 2. Now the last column is always the remainder column, so we're just going to separate the last column. So we bring down the first value, so 2, and we're going to multiply. So 2 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 4, and then we need to add the column. So 0 plus minus 4 is minus 4. So multiply, so minus 4 multiplied by minus 2, this is positive 8. And now we're going to add the columns. So minus 5 plus 8 is 3. And we're going to multiply. So plus 3 times minus 2 is minus 6. And if we add, this is going to be minus 1. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 2 is positive 2. So our answer is 0. So our remainder for this question is 0. So now we need to bring down our values and write it as a polynomial. So we have 2x, and it's always going to be 1 power less than the degree. So this is going to be 3 minus 4x squared plus 3x minus 1. Okay, and then we haven't got a remainder. So this is our final answer. And if we wanted to check, we can multiply this back by x plus 2. Okay, so you have a question to try. So we're given a polynomial and we're asked to divide by x minus 3. So have a go at the question, and when you're ready for the answer, then press play. Okay, so let's have a look what we need to do. So first of all, x minus 3, we need to set this equal to 0. And this will be x is equal to 3. So we can use this value. I'm going to bring down the values for the polynomial. So we have a 4. So there's no terms missing. So we'll have a plus 3. This is going to be a minus 1 and a plus 8. And the last column is going to be our remainder column. So we bring down the 4. So 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. So 3 plus 12 is 15. 15 multiplied by 3 is 45. And minus 1 plus 45 is 44. 44 multiplied by 3 is 132. And if we add these together, 140. Now we have a remainder of 140. But because we divided by the divisor of x minus 3, this is going to be a remainder of 140 written or divided by x minus 3. So now we're going to write this out. So this is going to be 4x squared plus 3x squared oops, that's the question. Getting carried away here. 4x squared plus 15x plus 44, and then the plus 140 divided by x minus 3. Okay, so guided practice question, we have synthetic division, and we need to divide this polynomial by this divisor, and you'll notice that it doesn't have a coefficient of 1. So we need to divide everything by this term here. So this is a 3. So we're going to be dividing everything by 3. So we'll come back to that. So we're going to rewrite this now, make it equal to 0. So we can solve for x. So 3x is minus 1. X is equal to minus a third. So we're going to divide with minus a third. And we're going to bring these values down. So 6 divided by 3. 11 divided by 3. Minus 15 divided by 3. Minus 12 divided by 3. And 7 divided by 3. Now I could write anything as a whole number. Okay, I'm just going to leave it as it is for the moment. So 6 divided by 3 will bring this down. So 6 over 3, and we could write 2. So 6 over 3 multiplied by minus 1 over 3. So this is going to be 6 over 9, or minus 2/3. So 11 plus minus 2, okay, is going to be 9 over 3. So 9 over 3 is going to be 3. So now I'm going to rewrite this. I'm going to rewrite this as a 2. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. So 2 over 3. 3 multiplied by, so this is going to be minus 3 over 3. Now minus 15 and minus 3 is minus 18. Minus 18 divided by 3 is going to be minus 6. So minus 6 multiplied by minus 1 is going to be plus 6 over 3. Now minus 12 plus 6 is going to be minus 6. So minus 6 divided by 3 is minus 2. Minus 2 multiplied by minus 3 is going to be minus 2 plus 2/3. So 7 over 3 plus 2 over 3, this is going to be 9 over 3. So 9 divided by 3 is going to be 3. Now, because we divided our terms by 3, we need now to multiply this remainder by 3. So the remainder will be 9, and this is divided by the divisor. So I'm going to rewrite our terms. So we've got x to the 4, so this is going to be 2x to the 3 plus 3x squared minus 6x minus 2, and then it's positive, so it's plus 9 divided by 3x plus 1.